Okay, Robert back here, part 2 of this Kamplite. I'm going to take this screen off the end of this air pickup tube, fuel air pickup tube. It's actually just a fuel pickup tube. I think the air actually comes in through the little thing here. There's a spring in behind this that opens and closes it. Allow just the air, I think. But I'm going to take that screen off her and see if I can check the inside of that. Small screwdriver and just see if I can get under that little wire clip. Got it. I'll see if I can get a cleaner of some kind in there. See if I got a tip cleaner on this torch tip cleaner, small enough. Here we go. I don't know if y'all have seen that or not, but I broke my tip cleaner off in there. So the next step, I don't know if that comes off or not, but we're going to try it. Cross your fingers. Can't tell if that's coming off or if it's spinning in the leather. Hey, it's working. Something went right. Yep, I tell you. Let's try to push that back through the other side. Yeah, that was almost bad news. Careful not to lose your little spring there. It's a little, kind of like a little shut-off pin there. Yeah. Hopefully that should shoot out both ends. That's what I want to see. That's about real bright. ahead and stretch this spring just a little bit. Not too much. Just try to put a little life back into it. Drop that pin, well, backwards. Pin goes out. Feed that pin right back in that hole. A small pin hole in there in the middle. Spring. See if we can replace that brass mesh. Apply my thread locker. Before we go any farther, let's check our fuel flow. There. Good fuel flow. Go ahead and start this screw in before I put that collar on. Make it a little easier. It's hard to get your fingers down in there. Just going to get a thread or two on it maybe so I can get it started. There we go. Just got that in there, just 2 or 3 threads, just enough to hold it in there. It's awful hard to get your fingers down in there and start that. Now the burner cage, the burner tube. See how close we are right there. Look at it, went right in. First try. The retaining nut for the burner frame. Generator nut on the generator. Feed that through the hole in the air tube. Raise the eccentric block up. Slide the pin in place. Drop your generator down. It's a little warped. Might have to twist it here just a little bit. There we go. Got it sitting flush. Now we can tighten her down. Okay, a week or so ago I done a trade, and I traded some Pureless mantles and some American mantles, and he sent me a pack of the Sunflame mantles, 200 candle power. This is a 2 to 250 candle power lantern, and these are Sunflame, and pretty sure Sunflame is the same company. AGM made American Gas Machinery. They made the Sunflame lantern, so I think it's appropriate to use these mantles on this lantern. Plus I got a couple, looks like 3 packs of 500 candle power that I use on my 237. Don't tell nobody, but I think I got the better end of the deal on that one. There you go. Told y'all she's going to have some character, and she's got character. I like it. You know what? I don't think I'm going to repaint that. I'm going to leave that decal just the way it is. I like it. Man, that thing's bright. I somehow got one of my mantles tied up a little bit higher. That's alright. That's no big deal. She's burning good. Alright, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless.